Hi, sweet friends. Today is such a special day for this little baby. She's 26 days old now. Can you believe it? We've been watching her grow from the tiniest little kitten, eyes closed, barely moving. And now, here she is, on the sofa for the very first time, learning to walk. She's still a little wobbly. Her tiny paws are trying to figure out how this world works. But look at her go. Every step is a little miracle. I placed her down so gently. She looked around, confused at first. The softness of the couch, the colors, the new smell, everything is so big to her. It's her first adventure beyond the nursery. You can see her nose twitching. She's trying to understand where she is. But even in her tiny confusion, she's so brave. I love how she takes her time. She pauses, shifts her weight, then tries again. One paw, then another. She's learning balance, learning courage, learning life. I'm just sitting here with her, quiet, calm, letting her explore. No need to rush. She has all the time in the world, and I'm just here to witness it. To support her, to love her. Sometimes she looks up at me, those little round eyes, and I swear, there's so much trust in that tiny face. She knows I'm here. She knows she's safe, and that gives her the courage to keep trying. Every now and then she stumbles, but she doesn't give up. That's what makes her so special. So determined. So full of life. And the way her tail twitches a little when she concentrates, it just melts me. She's so small. But she's already her own little person. I don't want to interrupt her too much. Just giving her space. Gently guiding if she gets too close to the edge. Sometimes she crawls toward my hand. And when she touches it with her paw, I feel like my heart could explode. She's recognizing me. She's connecting. She's saying, I'm here and I know you're with me. I could stay here forever, just watching her discover the world. This is what love looks like. Not loud, not flashy. Just quiet moments, soft little paws, and a kitten finding her way. She's growing so fast, but today we pause, we slow down, and we walk with her, step by tiny step.